Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can fix your button, whether the volume down or the power button. I am going to show you how to do this without replacing the entire strip. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to do this. And guys, if you are new to my channel, you want to go right ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also comment down below. Let's go. In this video I am going to show you how we are going to fix any tablet button. As you can see, this one, you're not getting the press. You should get a press, so we are not getting any press from the power button here. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this tablet apart. So first we remove the SIM tray. I want you guys to take a look. You can see that the button is missing there. It actually probably fell off, right? So what we're going to do, we are going to fix this button. You can order these things online, but we are going to fix this button. We're going to remove the flex cable. So we are going to remove the ribbon. You want to remove this carefully. You can heat this and you can remove it, or you can take your time and you can remove it. This was actually stick with adhesive. So guys, we are going to repair this button. What we are going to do, we are going to take it off of this one. So we're just going to heat it off. So it's off, and yeah, it's off. So what we're going to do now, we are going to put it on this button right here. You can use your soldering iron, or you can use airflow. So what I am going to do, I am going to put a bit of flux on this area. So guys, after applying flux and also the paste, we are going to put on the button. We're going to align the button. And we are going to solder this down. We are going to be using hot air. So guys, we are done and we just need to clean up. This should work. Let us just clean up. So guys, as you can see, we just replaced the button on this flex. So guys, we are going to test the button. So what we're going to do, we are going to slip this in right here. You want to make sure that the lid is up and that it is not locked down. Then we are going to slip this in. We are going to close it down. Then we are going to try and power on the tablet. If we so desire, we can put some adhesive there to stick this back. So as you can see here, as you can see here, what we are going to do, we are going to turn this on. So let me get a screwdriver and we're going to try and turn this on. Let's go. Wow, it's working. It is working, guys. So guys, the button is working. It's working perfectly. And let's just stick this button in place. I'll use some adhesive and stick this button in place. I'm going to use the B7000. A little bit of this adhesive. And we are sticking this in place. So let me show you the button works. So when we press, as you can see, the button works. Guys, this is how you can repair your button for your tablet, your cell phone, your mobile devices. I hope that this was helpful, guys. I'll appreciate so much if you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video and comment down below.